Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I hope you all are doing well. If you haven't subscribed to my channels yet, please go ahead, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll not miss any of my uploads. I'd like to share with you my Sephora Play for the month of January. Sephora Play is a beauty subscription box that is $10 a month and you will receive makeup, hair care, or skin care. So let's get into it. Here is the box that it comes in. So it says Play right here. And you receive this newsletter. And this month's newsletter says your 2019 Beauty Scope. And it tells you all the products that are in it. And also, if you do purchase any of the items that's in your box, if you purchase a full-size item, you will receive an additional 50 Beauty Insider points added to your account. So let's get into it. Here's the bag that they are now housed in. Here is, this has to be from Bite Beauty. So I'm assuming this is from Bite Beauty. Yes, this is Bite Beauty Matte Creme Lip Crayon in Glace or Glace. A high pigment lip crayon in a dusty mauve shade with a matte finish. So there it is. Oh, that is pretty. And you can see that it is moisturizing. You can just see that oil in there. Beautiful color, isn't it? Okay, so that is Bite Beauty. Next we have, this is Hum. This is a deluxe 3-day sample daily cleanse. Help clear your skin and body from toxins. This is a 3-day deluxe sample formulated with organic algae and 14 detoxifying herbs and minerals. This pill assists in getting rid of toxins for a visibly clearer complexion. Okay, that's good. Ooh. And then we have Laneige Water Sleeping Mask for all skin types. Here's the box. So this is a quick absorbing gel mask that hydrates skin while you sleep. Excited to try that. Those are really good on when you're traveling. And then we have a Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores. I love these masks, especially this one from Origins. It says Bound Pore Greatness. Cute. A purifying face mask that deep cleans skin and reduces the appearance of pores. Apply once or twice a week. Apply a generous layer of the mask and let sit for 10 minutes and rinse. I absolutely love these. Yep. That one I'm keeping. And then we have Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water Set and Refresh Spray. And what does this say? Let me just get that. Excuse me 1 second. And then this is, it says a lightweight primer that hydrates, refreshes, and preps skin for makeup. Okay. And lastly, we have, I think I got this in last month. This is Marajo Hair Care. Nourishing Cleansing Cream and Deep Treatment Butter. A hydrating shampoo and conditioner set that nurtures with botanical oils and rich butters for luxurious, healthy looking hair. The key benefits are it hydrates the hair, eliminate flyaways, add volume and shine. And that is it for my Sephora Play for the month of January. If you do subscribe to Sephora Play, please let me know what you received in your box. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and click the like button. As always, be kind to yourself, be kind to others, pay it forward. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead, click that subscribe button and the notification bell. Until next time, bye-bye.